Okay everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtecc video. This time we talk about how you can go ahead and lock the journal app on your iPhone. Now at first, if you don't even have it, you should make sure to go to the App Store and also check out if you have at least iOS 17.2 installed, because if not, you're not going to be able to install the journal app, right? But once you have it and once you do actually get access to it, once you have it on your home screen, in case you want to lock the app, here are the steps that you need to take. So locking app on your iPhone is a bit of a process, so you have to go through the settings, then scroll down and find the screen time. So you can find screen time right here, and there are app limits. So go ahead and click on that. By the way, if you don't have any app or if you don't have the screen time set up, you have to go through the steps which show up on the screen, but I assume that you have that already. So go ahead and click on app limits and click on add limit. And here it shows you all of your apps, even split out into like most used apps and categories and websites. So yeah, if you can find it, just click on all apps or just go through them individually. Try to find them in the social circle. I believe that it should be in the productivity or education or information and reading. You should find the journal app somewhere around in here, so make sure to find the journal app. I don't have it right now, but the process is the same for any app. So let me just choose shortcuts, for example, click on next. So I'm just going to click on 1 minute, make sure that it just sets to 1 minute. I can customize the days, but I can choose it for every single app. I'm going to hit add, and that's basically the app limit. But you should also note that this screen time should also have the password or passcode turned on. So this is something that you need to set up as well. So lock screen and a passcode. So go ahead and click on that. Re-enter screen time passcode. Right now, you can see that if you forget your screen time passcode, you can use your Apple ID to reset it. So I'm gonna click here and just type in my email like that. So let me just type in my passcode. So yeah, let me just log in and get through and set up the screen time passcode recovery. But once you go through all of the process, once you set up the passcode for your screen time, once you choose the app limit for one specific app, then this app is going to be essentially locked with your screen time passcode. So this is how you can lock it. This is the only way how you can go and do that, because there isn't any native or other way of locking individual apps on your iPhone. So this is essentially what you need to know about it. Just choose one app, make sure that the limit is set to just one limit, and just also set up the recovery and everything like that. And now you should have the thing set up. So let me just try it out one more time in here. So if I find the shortcuts somewhere in here, here are the shortcuts. I can open it up and I should be able to use it for 1 minute. But once the 1 minute passes, the screen time passcode should appear, and this is going to make sure that I am actually locking the app for good. So this is how it works. This is all the stuff that you need to know about it. So yeah, hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out until then.